Ever wonder what $1,800 in just 4 hours of work looks like? Stick around, because today we're tearing things down and cashing in.
Alright, what's up guys? We are going to be removing this old shed today using this here mini excavator. Some stuff along here, a few mowers, riding mower. We'll be cleaning out all the stuff inside. But yeah, it should be a fun project. There's Noah Bradley Christensen. Getting tore into it. Alright, we got it down. Time to clean it up. Yeet. By the way guys, we don't know what we're doing. We're just a couple of guys here to figure it out. Noah's never ran an excavator. First time on there, my second time. Sometimes in life you just gotta go for it and figure it out, you know? Alright, just about done. A little bit more to clean up. Full trailer load, gonna strap this sucker down, head to the dump. Go.
If you guys are interested in what the expenses for a job like this are, we'll put those in the description below.